Hi, welcome to this spot. Hey, you need some beer? You got this building here for rent. Entertainment. I think it just was DVD.Store. But it's like empty and closed, nothing in there. You see anything? It's like a little shopping mall. Nothing in for rent. Huh? Oh, look at it. Safe deposit box. Huh? Nothing in there. And a hotel too. Huh? 307. Auto tinting. Huh? You wanna buy a place? You got a hotel here too. Look at that. For rent. Southeastern Connecticut Therapy and Wellness Center. There's nobody there. We have moved. You can't see through these windows. Wow, look at staircase. Joseph and Sarah Ginsburg, 1982. Wow, let's go get a hotel room. Huh? Nothing on the board. Huh? Oh, nice bench. I like to have that at home. Huh? Main entrance. Freaking completely empty. Door work? Nope. Huh? It's a hotel room. Main entrance. Number C. What's in there? Nothing. It looks pretty clean. That was a hotel. Huh? All empty. Oh, look at, there's a bunch of files. Excuse me. Bunch of files in there. Somebody's got a little office going on in there. Something. Huh. Huh? There's something going on in there at one time. Huh. Wow, am I on camera? Hi. Whoa. Look at that. Huh. It's a hotel. Used to be. Show you this spot, right? Anything in there? I don't see nothing. Door don't work. The cop's gonna show up any minute. Huh, look at over there. Some kind of hotel. Huh. Interesting. Hey, somebody's trailer. Flat tire. Ah, looks like a homemade trailer. Got a flat tire. Huh? The bead is off the thing. Huh? 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 Air conditioning units. It's all closed. All abandoned. All closed. What's in this window? I don't know. I think it was a hotel at one time and then they moved it or changed it around to some businesses or something, and then now it's nothing. So let's see if you can see in there. There's a plant. An A&W root beer soda bottles. I like those stones. So nothing in here anymore. Huh? Nope. Empty. Notice no skateboarding, bicycling, or trespassing on this property. You will be prosecuted. Oh God, just hate that. Look at that. The little mall and the hotel is out of business. If you like to rent a place, it's been empty for a long time. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching this spot where we have emptiness. Emptiness. Look at emptiness. It is empty.